We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal. We fight the system built to perpetuate the superiority of one group over another.
This is our proclamation. We are the descendants of the peaceful, the children of the brave. We are the pebbles in the water that will start a new wave of change. We are Oromo. We're also from a geographical location called Ethiopia. However, we have never felt Ethiopian. That word has never embraced us. We've had our language diminished, our history atrophied, our books burned, our students killed, our leaders imprisoned, our existence detested, and our pain ignored. No more. We are Oromo, and therefore it is in our nature to forgive. It is in our nature to want peace, to want freedom and justice. We are Oromo, therefore we are generous. However, we refuse to watch in silence while a two-headed beast engulfs in a feast while we starve at his feet. He tosses us the least bit of a portion of a piece and expects us to rejoice while we eat. No more. No more! So when we reclaim our uniformity and oneness and say, I am Oromo first, it is not ዘረኝነት. ሰው መጥላት አይደለም. It is not tribalism. It is a recognition of our trials and tribulations. It is the unapologetic, uncompromising embrace of our identity. Being Oromo shouldn't be a political statement. It shouldn't be a polarizing issue. Our proclamation shouldn't be offensive to you. We are Oromo. We are fair and just, yet we are not pacifist. Be warned. You taught us violence and took our innocence, yet still we birthed warriors who want peace, who desire freedom and justice. We raise fighters, engineers, and doctors. If education is the passport to the future, then tomorrow belongs to us because we have studied our history and are inspired to tell our own story. We vow to raise Oromia from the ashes of the past like a phoenix. Turn her into a land so beautiful, so scenic. Take a long, long look. Take a long, long look. We stand as our ancestors' prayers manifested. Take a long, long whiff. We are the winds of change, bathed in sage. We are their children who name themselves and claim themselves the Sabona and the Sabontu, the Bona and the Bontu, the Erofikare. We won't just challenge the status quo, we will dismantle it. We have our feet on the shoulders of giants, the generals, poets, artists.
The Wako Gutus, the Tadessa Birus,
the Jarrah Bagadas,
the Ebisa Dunyas,
the Hajalu Hundaisas.
We are turning a new page. We are breaking every cage for everyone. For the Oromo, the Gurage, the Waleta, the Dorze. Take a long, long look. You can't keep us quiet. Our people have been inspired. We are no longer the little fires flickering within the riot. We are the riot. Our blade sharp, our mind strong, and if we must, we are ready to pluck you like the strings of a harp. Abiyu, Abiyu. We made you king and will dethrone you. We'll tear the wall down and the statue down and pull a crown off a tyrant. You tyrant! Oromia nibilisomti. Oromia nibilisomti by any means necessary, and the sight will be vibrant. You can search our history for agreeableness. You can look at our response towards compromise. You can study our silence or applause. We have always been just. Don't mistake our kindness for weakness. Don't overestimate our meekness. We have never wanted what's not ours. We protect and speak for those without powers until the curtain closes on our final hours. We are the voice for the voiceless. You see, the ability to inspire comes in the smallest of forms. It starts with recognition, yet your ego gets in the way of finding a resolution. Your sins are so great, they keep you awake in fear of retribution. I don't get it. I don't get it. Holding a country with pins and needles, using Band-Aid for bullet wounds, and then wondering why it hurts is the definition of ignorance. We refuse to be pacified by empty symbolic gestures of equality while being ravaged of our rights and humanity. You can't sow the seeds of hate and be surprised by the poisonous fruit. The winds of change are blowing and we are in pursuit. We reject mediocrity and the mediocre embraces of your unity. We are Oromo, through and through.
We are Oromo through and through.
We are Oromo, through and through.
We are Oromo, through and through.
We are Oromo through and through.
We are Oromos, through and through.
We are Oromo through and through.
We are Oromo, through and through. The Adam Jilos.
The Jatani Ali.
The Nariga Madas.
The Sheikh Mohammed Rashads.
This is our proclamation.